Here at the new Lyndhurst Station in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. These are the eastbound elevators. This replaced the station just a block away, and also the Kingsland Station is no more. The station opened 3 months and 1 day ago on June 8th. Today's September 9th. The only challenge is figuring out what brand the elevators are. Around. It doesn't tell me. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. And we'll try to get the one next to us. This is up. The other one's right here. It won't open until this one's out of the way. This is elevator 2. Our big brother cameras in these elevators. Yeah, the door track seems to be a bit rough. I'm not sure what brand of elevator this is. Alright, here we are on ground. The stairs. That goes. That's it.